Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taniah Robinson. I am a lifestyle, fashion, and beauty creator here. So in today's video, we are tackling my linen closet. You guys are gonna do a clean with me, and we are cleaning out my linen closet because I told you guys before, I'm trying to get my life together. I'm trying to get, on the right path and do all the adulting things. So we are doing a clean with me. You are new to this channel, hey girl, welcome, and we are just getting started. If you are returning, welcome back, and thank you for clicking on this video. I am going to show you guys what my linen closet looks like now, and then we are just going to organize it, clean it. I've already washed like my towels and stuff like that, so all I gotta do is get it together. But yeah, let's hop right into the video. Boom. So this is how everything currently looks, and I am not a fan, so we are going to go through the linen closet and clean it today. And we also have to find a space for this stuff right here. So here's like hair stuff, a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup stuff, and some clean sheets and stuff like that. So we are getting everything together today. it. Thank you guys for cleaning with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.